What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be talking about BRET. If you don't know what BRET is a large meme coin in the cryptocurrency market. Very large, one of the largest that's out there. And you guys need to understand what they're doing, where they come from, and obviously the connection to why they're going to grow massively. So again, this is a meme coin. It's not based on utility, but it does have a heck of a lot of popularity to it. So guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I will provide all of the links for BRET down there, the website, the Twitter account, everything that you need to see, the chart, and hopefully you guys can make your decision on whether you want it or you don't. Now, there's a lot of hype around cryptocurrency right now, and meme coins are definitely at the forefront of things because when you see altcoin season that truly happens, meme coins skyrocket. Last altcoin season, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Floki, many others that ran to either hundreds of millions of dollars worth of market cap or even approaching hundreds of billions of dollars worth of market cap. And now you have many meme coins that are created on the market, on Sol, on AVAX, on Ethereum, on Binance Smart Chain, just so many different chains that have their own leading meme coin in those spaces. And BRET is the largest meme coin on base and will be the largest meme coin and continue to grow to be bigger and better. Even though it doesn't really have it's not really about utility. It's not a part of that utility run. It's still a part of the altcoin season. It's going to be bigger and better than you've ever seen it before. Now, just to give you a sense of like what the meme coin market is worth as we go into it. So I want to go into memes. And I want to show you, right? Because the meme coin market is worth a heck of a lot. Like, right, you saw it at the high, worth a $126 billion market cap with $29 billion worth of volume. You can see $9 billion goes into Dogecoin. $3 billion goes into Shiba Inu. Pepe sees $3 billion. You're seeing hundreds of millions that are going into other coins as well, while others are also worth $8 billion, $3 billion, $5 billion, $2 billion. And you can see BRET is worth $2 billion right now. BRET is a major player in this game, and I think people are underestimating where it's going to be and how much it's going to be worth. I've seen so many people that mentioned on my channel, hey, you should probably mention this play and consistently talk about it. I don't have enough videos to kind of put out for everything, but I do see it. I do see what's going on with BRET. Coinbase is just starting to really list meme coins. They said that they weren't going to list Pepe. They went out and listed Pepe. They wanted to refrain from listing many meme coins, but they can't deny the amount of volume that's happening. And they're like, we need to list them. Binance is listing them. Many others are listing them. And you could see it was Pepe and WIF that are listed on there. Bonk is listed on there. Doge and Chib are listed on there. And you're going to see BRET that gets listed on many of these other places. Speaking of where it's listed, right? This is where BRET is. BRET is Pepe's best friend, and you saw what Pepe did. It's at an $8 billion market cap, and the places that you can buy BRET on: Bybit, Upbit, BitThumb, KuCoin, LBank, Gate.io, all of these things here, and you can see that there are a couple notable names that are missing, right? Where's Binance? Where's Coinbase? Right? Those two are S-tier exchanges, and when you have exchanges like that, when they actually get listed on there, through the roof, right? More people get access to it. More people want to hold it and use it because it's on a platform that they use. So you have the ability to purchase on all of these places. I believe you don't even have crypto.com here. Correct me if I'm wrong. That may show up over here. But if we go and search and just look at where BRET is right now, right? BRET again is at 19, almost 20 cents. It's at a $1.9 billion market cap with $115 million worth of volume. All of the supply is released for this, so you're not going to have any type of dilution within it, meaning that you're not going to see the price go down just based on adding more supply, kind of like what the US government does with the dollar, where they add more dollars into circulation and all of a sudden the price of everything else is sky high because the value of the dollar doesn't go as far as it did before. But if you look at the places where you can purchase it on, again, Upbit, KuCoin is a big one. That's a tier 1 exchange. You have a tier 1 exchange of Gate.io, BingX, Bitmart. But when you have the ability to have those not only tier 1 exchanges, but also S tier exchanges, you go through the roof, where you're tradable on Binance, on Kraken, on OKX, on Robinhood, and of course Coinbase, right? Different things that they've done, right? They reached a high of a $2.2 billion market cap. They're hosting the biggest nightlife event together with Forbes in Miami. You're sponsoring a mansion party. ETH is underpriced, and we all see that. It's not growing as fast as, let's say, Bitcoin. It's underpriced, and Brett is going to explode when you see ETH and you see a lot of other altcoins that are making huge moves, and we're just starting to see that. Today is not really the most positive day in the overall market, right? It is slightly positive, but you see a lot of things that are slightly down, right? Even XRP is down by 7%. But you see a lot of other things that may not be having the same reaction that they've had in the past couple of days, but we are seeing that it's getting closer and closer to altcoin season, right? 54.7% Bitcoin dominance, decreasing by 40%, showing that altcoin season is literally just around the corner. It's inches away, and as we can see many other things that are making moves, we will see things like Brett make bigger and better moves. Now, who is Brett? Brett is a legendary character from Matt Fury's Boys Club comic. He is a dancer and loves video games. Now he is living on Base blockchain as a fan tribute. He's become a blue mascot of the blue chain Base. So when you think of meme coins, or at least when I think of meme coins, it's all about the popularity of where they are, where they're built on. I feel like you have a chain like Ethereum, to where Shiba Inu and Pepe really rule Ethereum. Yes, you'll have others that come up as well, like maybe Grok and some others, right? And you look at, what's it called? You look at BSC, and you could see many meme coins that are running on there. You can look at Kronos and see meme coins that are flowing on there. Brett is the biggest meme coin that's on Base, the largest meme coin that's on Base, and it's going to grow a lot further. You look at Kakinu on AVAX, and that's a bigger one that's on their chain. So the point is that you have specific chains for specific meme coins that can then make everyone, or a ton of people, money in the end, and very wealthy in the end, just based on that growth that we see there. So I'm excited for what Brett has to offer. They're doing, charity work and improving the world. When you see some tweets that they have out there, 5 villages where Brett has built water wells and toilet facilities. Again, not only just making people money, but also doing something with that money in the end, where Brett is doing something in the end, and also people are making money while they're doing good for many others. So is it the end of the dog meme coins? Could be the end of the dog meme coins, and we could be seeing cat meme coins coming up. We could be seeing, obviously, Pepe as a frog meme coin coming up. The Boys Club meme coins, right? You have Pepe's best friend, Brett, who's taking over, and many others there. So I'm excited for what's to come. Can't wait to see the different things that they implement, the different market caps that they hit next. But I want to know what you guys think. Have you taken a look at Brett before? Have you seen all of the things that they had to offer? Have you gone on their Twitter account and ask them questions and see what a lot of other people are talking about? Have you searched Brett on Twitter? Do all of those different things. Research. I know you can't really get anything utility wise, but you can definitely see the popularity of it. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.